Sign of the times or what? I don't know. We got here a Briggs and Stratton Brute self-propelled mower, front wheel drive, 6.75 horsepower. But the thing that kills me about this, never change the oil, just check an ad. So what they're saying is it's designed to burn oil. Yay. That's environmentally friendly. Ready start, no prime, no choke, just pull for power. Yeah, unless you've been storing it all winter with no gas in it. Oh, red dowel. Oh, yeah. Carburetor, plastic. Does it have a conventional flow pole? I don't know. I pull it out, pull the bolts out. You see that? There's a couple bolts in there. Plastic. It's all plastic. Don't want to force anything. So the only way to get gas into this thing to get it to start is to yank and yank and yank and yank and yank and yeah. No priming, no choke. Just pull and go. What a pile of malarkey. BriggsandStratton.com. I don't even know where this thing came from. Hop. Model number 96148. Helps to know where it came from so I can change the air filter. Where is the air filter? Here's the air filter here. Ah. Yummy. Asthma much? No part number on it, so I'm not sure how I'm going to replace it. Oh, I can see the Briggs logo there. Oh, there is a number. Focus. Come on, focus. Drop the camera. Five, 9, 3, 2, 6. Smudge. 5, 9, 3, 2, 6, 0. Maybe. Still smudge. Wipe, wipe, wipe. I can read the last three, but not the first three. Yikes. 593260 or 653241. I don't know. Briggs, anyways. Oh, look it up. See where I can find one. Since everything here seems to come from the Home Depot, it's probably the place to look for it. I don't know. Who knows how old it is even. 675 EXI. State of the modern lawnmower. What can you do?